Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to automatically send your Facebook leads to Google Sheets using Zapier. If you run Facebook ads to generate leads, this automation is a game changer. No more manual exports. Your leads will instantly appear in your Google Sheet. Let's get started. Before we begin, here's what you will need. A Facebook page with an active lead ad form, a Google Sheet where you want to store your leads, a Zapier account for free or premium depending on your needs. Alright, let's create our Zap. Log into your Zapier and click on Create Zap. Our trigger will be Facebook lead ads. Select Facebook lead ads as the trigger app. Choose New Lead as the event. Click Continue and connect your Facebook account. Select the Facebook page and lead form you want to use. Click Test Trigger to make sure Zapier can fetch simple sample leads. Now that we have our trigger set, let's set up the action Google Sheets. Choose Google Sheets as the action app. Select Create Spreadsheet Raw as the event. Connect your Google account. Choose the correct Google Sheet and worksheet. Map the lead form fields name, email, phone, etc. to the corresponding Google Sheet columns. Click Continue and test the JAP. If everything looks good, hit Publish JAP to activate it. Now, every time someone files out your Facebook lead form, their information will instantly appear in your Google Sheet. If you run into any issues, here are some troubleshooting tips. Ensure your Facebook lead form is properly connected. Make sure you have admin access to the Facebook page. Double check column mapping in Google Sheet. If using the free Zapier plan, remember there's a 15-minute update delay. And that's it. You have now automated your Facebook lead connection collection with Zapier. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.